GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Before that, make sure you subscribe, like, share, join my free Telegram. All the links are below the video, okay? And watch the video if you want to copy my trades as well. So coming back to the weekly time frame, weekly we are what? I think we have engulf, yes. So this is a new uptrend, okay? The pullback is happening. So let's see. This has broken, okay? So this has broken. We are in the uptrend officially. Pullback will happen. It is happening. It might be a minor pullback. You never know. Price will reject the EMA and go up. So coming back to 4 hour, we still have to wait. So we have to wait for the price to come down, okay? If this has broken by the next blue candles, then you go long. If not, the price will come down, which I think is going to happen, okay? Pullback still have to happen, at least until the EMI, okay? So I am not looking for longs until we see the decent pullback, okay? So scalpers look for shorts. Swing traders wait for the price to reject this EMI in 4 hour, then bullish signal engulfing maybe, and then we go long. Otherwise, if the price breaks below the EMI, then you look for maybe shorts, and if this load breaks, then definitely shorts, okay? But that's future, not right now. For now, I'll wait for the rejection from the EMI, and then we will look for the long entry if we get the signal, okay? So that's it. Subscribe, like, share, and take care. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you want to copy my exact swing trades coming this week with precise entry timing, with take profit, with stop loss, then check out the first link below the video. Yes, if you want to copy the exact trades or the swing setups I am interested in for this coming week, make sure you check out the first link below the video, and I'll see you on the other side.